Have you ever noticed that as we age, our scent seems to change? It's not just your imagination. Science actually explains why. In today's video, we'll reveal 7 surprising facts about how and why body odor changes for senior women, and what you can do about it. Before we dive in, if you're interested in staying healthy and feeling your best as you age, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We bring you the best tips on health, wellness, and aging gracefully. All right, let's get started with fact number 1. How hormones play a big role in body odor as we get older. Fact 1. Hormonal changes affect scent. One of the biggest reasons body odor changes in older women is hormonal fluctuations. As women enter menopause, estrogen levels drop, affecting the body's natural balance. This can lead to an increase in sweating, body odor, and even skin bacteria that alter how we smell. One major side effect of menopause is hot flashes, which cause sudden sweating. This can make body odor more noticeable, especially in warmer climates or stressful situations. While younger women may experience occasional sweating due to activity, older women may sweat unpredictably due to these hormone-driven changes. Additionally, the apocrine sweat glands, which are responsible for producing body odor, become more active in some areas while decreasing function in others. This uneven distribution of sweat can lead to different odor patterns than what you experienced in your youth. What can you do? Staying fresh starts with good hygiene, breathable fabrics, and natural deodorants. Some women find that adjusting their diet, hydration, and stress levels also helps regulate sweating. If hot flashes are a big issue, talk to your doctor about hormone therapy or natural supplements that may help. Next, let's talk about the aging odor, 2-noninol. Fact 2. The aging odor called 2-noninol. Have you ever noticed that some older people seem to have a distinct scent? This isn't just in your imagination. Scientists have identified a compound called 2-noninol, which is responsible for what some call the aging odor. This compound forms when fatty acids in the skin break down due to oxidation. While younger skin regenerates more quickly, older skin produces more oxidative byproducts, leading to a slightly grassy, oily, or even waxy smell. 2-noninol starts becoming more noticeable after the age of 40 and continues to increase with age. Interestingly, 2-noninol is not linked to poor hygiene. Even if a senior woman showers regularly and uses deodorant, this scent can still linger because it comes from deep within the skin. This is why some older women feel like they smell different, even though their hygiene habits haven't changed. So, how can you reduce 2-noninol? The key is exfoliation and hydration. Using a mild exfoliating scrub can help remove oxidized skin cells, reducing the buildup of this compound. Also, drinking plenty of water and using a pH-balanced moisturizer can keep the skin healthier. Another way to manage it is through diet. Foods high in antioxidants like berries, green tea, and leafy greens can fight oxidative stress, reducing the production of 2-noninol. Next, let's discuss how dry skin plays a role in body odor changes. Fact 3. Skin becomes drier, affecting odor. As we age, our skin naturally becomes drier due to a decrease in oil production. This change may not seem directly related to body odor, but it actually has a significant impact. Our natural skin oils help balance body odor by acting as a barrier that prevents excessive bacterial growth. When the skin becomes drier, this balance is disrupted, sometimes leading to a stronger or different body scent than before. Additionally, dry skin can cause dead skin cells to build up, creating an ideal environment for bacteria. While bacteria themselves don't have a smell, they interact with sweat and other compounds in the skin, producing an odor that may seem unfamiliar or stronger than usual. Another factor to consider is changes in skin pH. Younger skin has a more acidic pH, which helps control bacterial growth. However, as we age, the skin becomes more neutral or even alkaline, allowing different bacteria to thrive. This can contribute to a new or different body odor that older women may notice. So how can you manage this? The first step is hydration, both internally and externally. Drinking plenty of water helps keep the skin hydrated from within, while using a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer can replenish lost oils. Look for moisturizers containing hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or ceramides, as these ingredients help lock in moisture and maintain a healthy skin barrier. Another tip is to avoid harsh soaps, which can strip away the skin's natural oils and make dryness worse. Instead, opt for mild, pH-balanced cleansers designed for sensitive skin. Regular but gentle exfoliation also helps remove dead skin cells, preventing bacteria buildup and keeping the skin fresh. Next, let's dive into how sweat gland activity changes with age and what that means for body odor. Fact 4. Changes in sweat gland activity. Sweat plays a crucial role in body odor, and as we age, our sweat glands change significantly. Some women may find that they sweat less than before, while others might experience excessive sweating due to hormonal shifts, medications, or underlying health conditions. The body has two main types of sweat glands: eccrine glands, which produce watery sweat to cool the body, and apocrine glands, which are found in areas like the armpits and groin and produce sweat that interacts with bacteria, causing body odor. As we age, eccrine gland activity tends to decrease, meaning we may sweat less overall. However, apocrine glands remain active, and in some cases, their function may become more irregular. This can lead to sweat that has a stronger odor, even if the amount of sweat itself has decreased. Another issue older women may face is stress-induced sweating. Even if you don't sweat as much from physical activity, stress and anxiety can trigger apocrine sweat production, leading to a noticeable odor. This is because stress-related sweat contains more proteins and fats, which bacteria love to break down. Medications can also impact sweating. Some medications cause excessive sweating, while others reduce sweating, leading to heat intolerance and discomfort. If you've noticed a sudden change in sweating patterns, it may be worth discussing with a doctor. To manage sweat-related odor changes, opt for natural, aluminum-free deodorants, which help control bacteria growth without blocking sweat glands. Wearing breathable fabrics like cotton or moisture-wicking materials can also prevent sweat from becoming trapped against the skin, reducing odor. Now let's talk about how medications can contribute to body odor changes. Fact 5. Medications can alter body odor. Many women over 60 take prescription medications for various health conditions, and these medications can directly impact body odor. Certain drugs alter how the body metabolizes compounds, leading to noticeable changes in the way you smell. For example, antidepressants and anxiety medications can increase sweating, making body odor more pronounced. Some hormone replacement therapies, HRT, may also affect the balance of sweat and skin bacteria, causing subtle changes in scent. Other medications, like diuretics, water pills, blood pressure drugs, and cholesterol-lowering medications, can lead to dehydration, which affects skin and sweat composition. When the body is dehydrated, sweat becomes more concentrated, and the breakdown of these compounds by bacteria can create a stronger odor. Additionally, certain medications are processed by the liver and kidneys, and if these organs don't break down substances efficiently, they may be excreted through sweat, urine, or breath, leading to an unusual or medicinal odor. Some antibiotics and chemotherapy drugs are known to alter body scent significantly because they affect the body's microbiome. What can you do? If you notice a sudden change in body odor after starting a new medication, talk to your doctor about alternative options. Staying hydrated and eating a clean diet can help flush out toxins and minimize unwanted odors. You can also try chlorophyll supplements or probiotics, which help balance the gut and reduce body odor naturally. Now, let's discuss the role diet plays in body odor and how simple food changes can make a big difference. Fact 6. Diet plays a major role in body odor. What you eat directly impacts how you smell. Some foods naturally cause stronger body odors, while others help neutralize unpleasant scents. Spicy foods, garlic, onions, red meat, and alcohol can make body odor more noticeable. This is because they contain sulfur compounds that are released through sweat. Red meat, in particular, takes longer to digest, and its byproducts can cause a stronger scent in body secretions. On the other hand, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains helps balance body odor. Foods high in chlorophyll, like spinach, parsley, and wheatgrass, are natural deodorizers. Citrus fruits, like oranges and lemons, help detoxify the body and improve overall freshness. Hydration is also key. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins, keeping your sweat less concentrated and reducing unwanted odors. Herbal teas and coconut water can also help maintain hydration levels. To maintain a pleasant, natural scent, focus on clean, whole foods and avoid processed foods that contain artificial preservatives, which can contribute to a stronger body odor. Finally, let's explore how hygiene and fabric choices affect body odor in older women. Fact 7. Hygiene and fabric choices matter. Hygiene and clothing choices play a big role in managing body odor changes as we age. While regular bathing is essential, using the right products and wearing the right fabrics can make all the difference. Some older women find that traditional soaps and deodorants no longer work as effectively. This is often due to changes in skin pH and bacterial composition. Switching to a pH-balanced, antibacterial soap can help reduce odor-causing bacteria. Natural options like apple cider vinegar rinses or tea tree oil can also be beneficial. Fabric choices also matter. Synthetic fabrics trap sweat and bacteria, making odor worse. Instead, opt for breathable materials like cotton, linen, or bamboo, which allow air to circulate and prevent sweat buildup. Washing clothes frequently and using baking soda or vinegar in the laundry can help remove stubborn odors. Additionally, wearing moisture-wicking undergarments can keep sweat-prone areas drier throughout the day. By combining proper hygiene, diet, and fabric choices, older women can maintain freshness and confidence at any age. Conclusion. Body odor naturally changes as we age due to hormonal shifts, skin chemistry, diet, and lifestyle factors. While some women may notice a stronger or different scent, simple changes in hygiene, hydration, fabric choices, and diet can help maintain freshness. Understanding 2-noninol, sweat gland changes, and the impact of medications allows women to manage body odor with confidence. Aging is a beautiful journey, and with the right habits, you can feel clean, comfortable, and confident at any stage of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips on healthy aging.